Today, I'm going to show you a super simple and genius way to remove strawberry tops using something you probably already have in your kitchen. Take your strawberry and flip it upside down, so the leafy top is facing down. Insert the stick into the bottom of the strawberry, right where the tip is. Push it gently but firmly upward until the stick comes out through the top. Look at that! The stick pushes the leafy top right out, leaving you with a perfectly clean strawberry. No mess, no fuss, and no wasted fruit. And there you have it, a quick, easy, and totally satisfying way to prep your strawberries. Perfect for snacking, baking, or adding to your morning smoothie. Ever cracked an egg by accident and thought, "What do I do with this now?" Well, today I am going to show you a brilliant way to store that cracked egg so it stays fresh and ready to use later. Here's what you'll need. Take a piece of cling film about 6 to 8 inches long and lay it flat on your counter. Gently put the cracked egg onto the center of the cling film. Carefully gather the edges of the cling film and wrap it around the egg. Make sure it's sealed tightly so no air gets in. And just like that, your cracked egg is perfectly sealed and ready to store. This method keeps the egg fresh and prevents it from absorbing any odors in the fridge. So the next time you accidentally crack an egg, don't panic. Just grab some cling film and save it for later. Now, I'm going to show you a simple and effective way to store onions using a kitchen towel and a shopping bag. Take a clean, dry kitchen towel and fold it. Next, take a reusable shopping bag, open it up and place the onions inside. Place the tissue inside. Gather the top of the shopping bag and tie it. Finally, place the tied shopping bag in the fridge. And that's it! By following these simple steps, you can keep your onions fresh and ready to use for weeks.